Hey friends, we are here to do a YouTube paycheck stuffing. I'm super excited and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you because without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your support, whether you subscribed, commented, watched the videos, watched the ads, whether you're a member of my channel. Just thank you, because again, I couldn't do this without you guys and I just appreciate you guys so much. So for June, this is the paycheck for May, but you get it in June. So for June, I got $141. So we're gonna put 41 to taxes, 70 to Christmas, and 30 to vacation. I tried to make it stretch as much as possible. And we're gonna get right into it. I think it's probably gonna be a pretty short video, so let's get going. I already have the money broken down. We're gonna start with taxes. It's all prop money because it's just going right into my savings account, so no need to take anything out of the bank. I think you're watching this on Saturday, so this is the day of our barbecue, our little party, and you guys know I've been saving for it, so I'm super excited. I'm probably having a great time. But right now as I'm filming, it's only Tuesday. So anyway, all that to say, I hope you're having a wonderful Saturday. Okay, let's do taxes. Now, I don't even know. Okay, I was gonna say, I don't know if I took the money out. I didn't. So all this has to come out. I actually did make the tax payment. Okay, so this was $639. I actually paid $840 for my quarterly taxes. So I think what I did was, what did I do? My last Etsy payout a couple weeks ago, I think I took the remaining 201 from that and made the payment. I didn't even make a video on that because I just used it all for taxes. So I didn't even bother adding it in here before making the payment, like just to take it out. So this is gonna go to the side. This just gets put away because that is gone. And then we are starting back at 0. So let me at least mark that. And then I'm gonna mark that we have $41 in here. So 2041, again, we're starting back. The next quarterly payment is due September 15th, I think. So I have a little bit. Hopefully I can get that $840 that I need. And then, wow, that's the third payment already. I do need to try to save a little bit extra. Probably, I'm sorry if you heard that beep. That is something my father-in-law has down here in the basement, some type of device. I probably need to save an additional like $300 to $350 to pay for the tax prep. That's something I kind of neglect to pay for or to save for every year. It's going to be hard though to pay, you know, to save up $840 per quarter plus an additional $350. We'll see if we can get it done. I'm just doing what I can. And yeah, I could have taken more money out of this towards it, but then I wouldn't have anything to go towards anything else. So again, I'm just doing what I can when I can. Okay, let's do vacation next because it's super quick, and then we'll end with Christmas. So this is my big challenge binder that I have like my large challenges in, and by large I just mean like large savings. So they save up larger amounts. So I'm working on these two challenges for vacation. These are both from Lisa Grateful Me over at the Happy Mailbox Co. They're both digital downloads, and I've basically been doing this for the most part because it has the larger amounts, and then once I finish this, I'll probably move on to this with the smaller numbers. So we're doing 30, so I'm just gonna color in a 20 and a 10. Okay, so I colored in the 20 and the 10, and let's grab the money and add it in. And again, it's prop money, it's in the savings, so, you know, I didn't take anything out of the bank just to do this stuffing. This is more of a long-term savings. This I'm using to save for my spending money. We go on the cruise August 3rd. It's coming, you guys. It's coming fast. I don't know if I'll actually even have these finished by then. These add up to 444 and my goal is actually 500, so I'd actually need more than this. I do have some in my sinking fund though, so it will be fine either way, but yeah, it's coming fast and I can't believe it. Okay, so we have 50, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 243. So we're almost halfway to 500, which is amazing. Love, love, love that. Okay, that is done. The last thing we're going to work on is Christmas. It's been a minute since I've stuffed my Christmas binder. I don't want to neglect it. I don't want to let, you know, to get behind in it. And so, yeah, I have to keep on with it. Okay. So for Christmas, this whole entire year, I've been working on Festive and Feisty. This is my challenge binder. It's available in my Etsy shop. I am doing a $2,000 version, but it's also available in $1,000. And yeah, my aim is to finish one of these per month now. So, you know, I'm on track, definitely. I'm super happy with my progress in this so far. And again, yeah, we're just stuffing what we can when we can for this. I pretty much only stuff this with my YouTube checks. I try to do a little bit in my regular paychecks, but it's literally like 20 bucks usually. But again, any little bit helps. So we're going to put 70. We're going to put 70 towards this and see what kind of damage we can do. Right off the bat, it looks like I have a $5 IOU. So we have 70 minus 5, which means we have 65, and we're working on, oh snap, here. Let's see what we have. Ooh, okay, these are big amounts, you guys. Ouch. Whew. Okay, $65. Well, we got to do the 30s, right? So here's a 30, and here's a 30, and we only have $5 left. Quickest Christmas stuffing ever, right? Okay. I think what I'm gonna do is just color half of this 10, and then hopefully I will remember that, you know, I have another 5 to go. I'm almost thinking, like, should I keep the IOU and just color this full 10 because it's kind of the same thing? Maybe I'll do that. I'll put color the full 10 and then just put this back, because again, this way I remember exactly what the IOU is instead of trying to remember, well, did I just not color that fully? Do I owe money? And you guys get it, I think. So we still have a 30 and we have 3 20s with this one. Ouch. This is probably one of the biggest challenges in here. And yeah, I do like though that the amounts are, you know, visible and that you kind of know what you're getting yourself into. So that's a good thing. Okay, let's put the clip on, put the money in, see where we're at, and then I'll let you go. I told you guys, quick little video today. All right, so we have 50 and 20. Okay, so for Christmas 2025, we have 1,000, 100, 50, 200, so 1,200, 20, 45, 1245, mic drop, cash drop. That's amazing. That is amazing. This is the best I've done saving for Christmas, I think, since I started this journey. And yeah, I couldn't be happier about it. I am so pumped about it. Okay, that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. I am so grateful that you're here with me. Thank you again for all of your support, no matter how you've supported me. Even if you've only ever watched 30 seconds of one of my videos, that still supported me, and I am so grateful for you. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.